Imagine waking up and your AI chef, equipped with all the knowledge about you, greets you with a perfect breakfast suggestion. Good morning. Based on your high energy demand today, how about a vibrant smoothie bowl with extra protein and your favorite toppings? The interface lights up, displaying a visually appealing recipe designed just for you. As you prepare to start your day, the AI seamlessly guides you through the steps. First, let's gather the ingredients: fresh spinach, bananas, Greek yogurt, and your favorite nuts. With each item mentioned, a virtual checklist appears on the screen, ensuring you won't forget anything vital. As you blend the ingredients, the AI informs you of their individual benefits. Spinach is great for iron, while bananas will provide you with potassium to boost your energy. The colors swirl together, creating a visually stunning concoction, and you can't help but feel excited about this nutritious start. Once complete, the AI suggests the best way to serve it. Top it with chia seeds and sliced strawberries for a beautiful finish. You admire your creation, knowing it's tailored specifically to meet your needs today, and you take the first delicious bite. After enjoying your delicious breakfast, the AI analyzes how you feel. How did you find the smoothie bowl? Did it energize you for the day ahead? Your feedback is vital to its evolution. Based on your reply, whether you loved it or felt it needed a bit more sweetness, the AI adapts future recipes. Great! I'll remember to add a touch of honey next time, it responds, already formulating new ideas in the background. As you move through your morning routine, the AI automatically checks your activity level and adjusts for lunch accordingly. Considering your workouts today, I recommend a quinoa salad enriched with avocado and black beans, which will fuel your muscles. Would you like to add a zesty lime dressing? It feels almost magical how the AI keeps you on track, ensuring both nutrition and satisfaction in every meal. This gives you confidence in making healthier choices effortlessly, allowing you to focus on what's important, living your life to the fullest. As lunchtime approaches, the AI checks in again, ready to assist with your next meal. Let's whip up that quinoa salad. First, gather 1 cup of cooked quinoa, half an avocado, and a cup of black beans. As you combine the ingredients in a bowl, vibrant colors emerge, reflecting the nourishing qualities of your lunch. The AI prompts you, "Don't forget to squeeze that lime. This will enhance the flavors and give you a refreshing kick." You relish the delightful blend, knowing each bite is crafted for your taste and nutrition needs.